Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vaidehi and Vandevi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today I have a very interesting Vrat recipe which is Thalipeeth. Thalipeeth, not the regular one, it's the Sabudana Thalipeeth. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. For our Sabudana Thalipeeth, I have Sabudana which has been soaked in just enough water covering the Sabudana for about 6 hours. Don't over soak it, it will get too mushy. And don't add too much water, it will get sticky on cooking. So what I need to do now is mix all my ingredients. I have sabudana, we have some boiled, peeled and mashed potato, roasted peanut which has been coarsely ground, coriander leaves, some jeera, green chilies which have been finely chopped. The chili you can put according to the spice level you would like, and some sugar, and last we have some Sendha Namak. I'm going to mix all my ingredients up well. So my mixture is mixed well. Next what I'm going to do is I've got a plastic sheet which I'm going to grease. Grease it well because our Thalipeeth is shaped on this. We don't want it sticking on our plastic sheet. I take a little bit of my mix. Approximately from this one recipe you can make about 10-12 Thalipeeths. I'm going to spread it out on my greased plastic sheet. In the meantime, I'm turning on my heat on my pan while I'm shaping this. Just make sure when you flatten it out with your fingertips, it's flattened out equally and no side is thick. Next, with my index finger, I'm just going to make a hole in the middle. My pan is heated. I'm just going to grease it with some oil. And overturn my Thalipeeth onto my greased pan.